Hi, this is our electric guitar demo. So previous members of this group had in the past created an amplifier, so we were like, why not create an electric guitar so we can use this amplifier to do cool things. So an electric guitar, how is it different from an acoustic guitar? Well, an electric guitar uses electromagnetic induction. So these pickups over here are magnets wrapped around a coil wire. When the string is plucked, it disturbs the magnetic field, which induces an electric current. That is called Faraday's law of induction. That induced electric current is sent to the amplifier where you can crank up the sound, you can distort the sound, or create various frequencies. Now, this is just a working prototype. This is not our final project. This was just made from pre-made parts, and we assembled it together to get it ready for the festival. But the actual project is still in the works. We're using mahogany, which is traditionally used for electric guitars. So once the neck and body is going to be carved in the wood shop, here we have a humbucker, which is not already assembled, unlike here, where we will actually solder the inside circuitry and all the parts together to create the guitar from scratch. And that is going to be our final project.